are opening a box of 2007 Upper Deck Artifacts. Let's see what we get. True. Haven't done. Dummy card. There's the base cards. We got a hit, the Divisional Artifacts, Carlos Beltran, numbered to 199. Base.
Very nice.
Ooh, nice. Very nice. Number 25, Artifacts Apparel, Tom Glavine, autograph swatch. Jersey piece. Very nice. 2 hits and 2 packs. That's about it. Let's see here, base. Oh, we got a Cardinal. One that's no longer with him. David Eckstein. Very nice Tom Glavine, though. Rookie, base. This one's kind of fat. Nope, dummy.
Have you opened a fair amount of artifacts this year?
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Have you liked it? Not liked it?
Yes, I like it. Very nice. Good amount of hits. Oh, very nice. It's Adam LaRoche, but it's very nice. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. 3 color patch. Very nice though. Numbered 250. So, we got a Pujols in the back. Now we got our 4th hit, which is a Jim Edmonds, which was nice for me because I'm a Cardinals fan. It is numbered to 199. No, 130. Right, limited edition apparel. There's a Pujols base to go with her. And last pack, I think it's straight up base. Yep, Jimmy Rollins, Richie Sexton, Victor Martinez. And that's it.
Did you like it?
Yep, very much.
Very
I like
good.
This Tom Glavine.
Nice looking relic cards.
So you got 4?
Nice autograph. Beautiful set.